In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and most easiest way to build an amazing looking landing page on WordPress. This is the landing page we are going to create. The landing page is going to have all the sections that a normal landing page needs, and it is going to be very easy for you to change all the text, images, colors, basically change everything to fit your need. So within a few minutes, you can make it however you want it to look. And the best part, we are going to make this landing page in less than 10 minutes. And without any delay, I'm going to share my screen and we can get started. Okay, right now I'm in the back end of one of my WordPress website. And in order to do this, we need to install WordPress on our website first. If you don't know how to do that, there is a link in the description. You can watch the video and learn how to set up WordPress, install Elemento and everything to have your website ready. Right now we have our website ready and we are going to get started. In order to make this landing page in less than 10 minutes, we are going to use a template, a pre-made template. Templates are just pre-designed stuff, pre-designed pages that we can simply import, make changes, and make it our own. There are many places to get templates. Some are free and some are paid. But in this video, we are going to use Astra. Astra is one of the WordPress themes that I like the best because I really never used the pro version of Astra and I never had any limitations. Anything I want to do, I do with Astra theme. So if you are using Astra theme, good. If you are not using Astra theme, I will advise you to use Astra theme unless there is a specific reason why you cannot do that. Okay, and in order to get the templates that we are going to use to create this website, we are going to install a plugin, and the plugin is called Starter Template, and it is made by the developers of Astra theme. So we are going to get started by going to plugins from our WordPress dashboard and we go to add plugin. Okay, next we are going to search for Starter Template. Okay, this is the plugin right here. You see it is made by Brainstorm Post, and I already installed and activate it. But if you didn't install and activate it, all you need to do is just click install. When it finishes installing, click activate in order to activate it. Since I already have it, I am just going to go ahead and create a new page by going to pages, add new. Here I'm going to write a name for my page. I'm going to say template, landing page template. And I'm going to click publish. Okay, the page has been published. The next thing we are going to do is edit with Elemento. If you have Elemento page builder already installed on your website, you are going to have this button. If you don't have Elemento installed on your website, you need to go to plugins and search for Elemento and install it. And I have another video also where I teach step by step how you can install Elemento. So if you need, go to the description of this video and watch how to install Elemento on your website. Elemento is a page builder that we are going to use to create the page. If you already have it, you are going to have this button and we are going to click on it in order to load Elemento page builder. Okay, great. Now Elemento has been loaded on our website. You can see the website has a header and footer, and this is the header and footer that we already created for this website. If your website have a header and footer, you are also going to see it. If it doesn't, then you are going to see an empty blank page. To make things easier, I'm going to remove the header and footer so that we will have a blank page. I can come to settings by coming to this gear icon, and right here I'm going to come down, page layout. I'm going to change it from default to Elementor canvas. And now you see we have an empty page. There is no header and no footer. I'm going to click publish in order to save my changes. Okay, we should have a button here for starter template, but since I don't have it, I'm just going to refresh the page so that I have the button. Okay, great. Now that the page finished loading, you see we have other options, and this is a button for the starter template. If you install the plugin, you are going to have this option, and when we click on it, we are going to have access to all the templates. Okay, so make sure you are under pages. When you are under pages, these are all the templates that we can import. But take a look at this. When you see premium, this crown is premium, it means you have to have access to Astra Pro in order to access this template. But any other template that doesn't have this premium icon, you can go ahead and start using it. And you can start scrolling to find the template you like. If you want to see how the template looks, when you hover over it, you see this magnifying glass. You click on it, and these are all the pages that are inside the template. This is the home page, the landing page. So we click to view the full landing page. If you scroll, this is how the landing page looks. And if you import it, this is how it is going to look on your website. But remember, some templates require some specific plugins. And if you don't have those plugins installed on your website, you have to install the required plugins. You see, for this template, if you want to use it, you have to start by installing the required plugins, and then you can import it. But we are not going to use this template, so we are not going to install any plugins. You can click this arrow to come back to all template, so that we can scroll and view all the other templates that we have access to. Okay, I like this personal portfolio one, so we can click and open to see it. We can open the home page. And this is how the landing page looks. And I really like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and import it. And we can import it simply by clicking this button, Import Template. It might take a minute depending on whether it needs to install some required plugins and the images that it needs to upload to your website. So just give it a minute and it will finish. Okay, when it finished, you see it said imported with this check mark, and we can simply click this X icon to close the template. Okay, great. Now you see we have the entire template added to our page. We can simply click on publish to save our changes. Okay, when it finished saving, we can click this eyeball icon in order to preview the page in a new tab. Okay, this is how our page looks at the moment. We can share this link with anyone, and this is what they are going to see. And you see it took like how many minutes for us to set this up. So this is how it looks. The next thing that we can do is, if we come back to the edit page, we can go ahead and start making changes. If you want to change anything, for example, this text, you can click the pencil icon, and right here on this left sidebar, this is where you are going to make the change. Any change that you want to make, you can make it here. When it comes to the text, you select it and make the change to the left editor sidebar. You can click the button, make changes, add a link to where you want the button to go. You can come to advanced and paddings and margins. You can click on the background image itself to change it, or the actual image of the person. When you click on the image, you can upload another image and replace it. We can scroll and we can change really basically anything. You can change it. We can change the colors by coming to the styling tab and go ahead and start making changes. So this is the basics of creating landing pages or even any kind of page with a template. You see, it is very easy. Takes just a few minutes in order to do it. And this page is going to be mobile phone responsive. If we click this icon, this is how the page is going to look like if someone is using a tablet device. And if we click this icon, we can see how it looks to people using a mobile phone. So you see, it is mobile responsive, tablet responsive on any device basically. So this is how you can start working with templates. But the thing is, in order to really be good at creating pages, you have to learn the ins and outs of Elemento, how to set up everything. In order to even successfully make all the changes you want to this landing page, you have to really learn how to use Elemento. And that is why you can watch this video and you can see exactly how Elemento works. You can learn everything about Elemento, and you can learn how to start creating landing pages from scratch without a template. And if you learn how to create without a template, then you can easily import a template and make changes to it and make it your own. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.